Hello, Teacher Yi, and welcome to our presentation for OPL project color in the course Computer Application for Industrial Engineering. Our group has 4 members. Here's a quick look at what we'll cover in this video. First, introduction, next with C+ code analysis, and finally, Python code analysis. And now, we move to the Chapter 1 introduction. After careful consideration of various options, we decide to choose the topic color. This problem involves choosing the color for the country on the map in such a way that almost 4 colors, blue, white, yellow, and green, are used and no neighboring countries are the same color. In this exercise, you will find the solution for a map coloring problem with 6 countries as shown in the figure below. And now, we move to the next chapter, Chapter 2, C+ code analysis. Here is C+ code. In this code, we define R is the range of variable values from 0 to 3, representing 4 colors, 0, 1, 2, 3, represent blue, white, yellow, green, respectively. Divide into something in R is the integer variable representing the colors assigned to each country. The variable value must in the range from 0 to 3. This constraint ensures that neighboring countries do not have the same color. To bring the color of each country, we use the name array to convert the numerical representation of color to color name. Finally, we have the result like this. And now we move to the final chapter, Chapter 3, Python code analysis. Here is the Python code. We begin with the algorithm ideal. Firstly, generating color combination and then checking validity and filtering valid solutions. In the valid color assignment are printed in the output step. This approach ensures that all constraints are satisfied and it brings all valid solution. This import product from the interval module, which is used to generate all possible combination of color assignment for the countries. This is a list of 4 colors that can be assigned to country, including blue, white, yellow, and green. This is a list of 6 countries that we need to assign color: Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, Luxembourg, and Netherlands. This list defines the neighboring countries. The key constraint in the problem is that neighboring countries cannot have the same color. This creates a dictionary that maps each country to its index in the color countries list. This index is used to assign the country's color in the solution. This function checks whether a given color assignment is valid. It loops over each pair of neighboring countries, like country 1, country 2, from the neighbor list. For each pair, it checks if the color assigned to both countries are the same. If they are, the function returns to false because 2 neighboring countries cannot have the same color. If no neighboring countries have the same color, it returns true. The product function from the intertool generates the Cartesian product of the range 4, repeated for the number of countries. This effectively creates all the possible ways to assign one of 4 colors to each of the 6 countries. Since repetition is allowed, this will generate every possible combination of color assignment. This loop iterates over all the possible color assignment generated in the previous step. The iValid solution function is they call it to check if the current assignment is valid. After the loop finishes, it checks if there are any valid solutions in the valid solution list. If there are valid solutions, it prints equal. Otherwise, it prints no valid solution found. And then we have the result printed. That's all. Thank you for your listening, and we hope you love this.